welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today I am going to be making birthday cake slime because it's almost my birthday in 2 days when I'm filming this, probably not when I post it. And I am making some of the slime for my friend Anastasia, and her birthday is the day after mine, so I'm so excited. So the first thing you will need for the slime is a bowl. So I got this clear bowl. The next thing you'll need is some glue. I have some school glue and I have some glue all. I think both of them make like a really nice texture. Then you'll need some shaving cream, some cornstarch, some lotion, some diesel clay, what's this called? Contact lens solution, and like the little sprinkle things. I don't have them right now, but I'm going to get them right now because, yeah. So I got my sprinkles, and I'm using this chocolate mint scent. I also found this one. I don't have any birthday cake scent. And you also need a mixing utensil. So let's get on to the video. So guys, now I'm going to start making my slime. So first I'm going to add in, add in some glue. And it looks very dark. Not because my face, or like detects my face or something. But so I'm going to add only a little bit of this glue, like that much. I hope there's a big enough bowl. Well, the diesel clay is going to make the slime bigger. Then I'm going to add some of the glue all. Just a little bit of that. Then I am going to add in some of my shaving cream. Only a little bit of shaving cream. Then I'm going to add some lotion. It's not coming out. Okay. Like 4 pumps of lotion. 6 pumps of lotion. Then not last, never mind. Then I'm going to add in some of my cornstarch. Like only a little bit, like that much. And then I'm going to add my scent. I'm just going to want to add like a lot of drops of scent like this because it's not very strong at all. Sorry to say. And it's really hard to get out of the thing. And a little bit more. I can always add in more scent later though, because, oh my god. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep my slime white because it's like a cake, I guess. I don't really know. Now I'm going to mix that all up together. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. So that's the slime pretty much. Now I'm just going to activate it with some contact lens solution. Oh, I might have put too much. I wasn't paying attention. So now I'm just going to mix it all up. And I'm going to put it in fast motion because it's going to take a long time. So why did I stop it? So guys, this is the slime I made. It's still a little bit sticky, but I'm gonna put clay in it, so that's fine. It's like really glossy and nice. And it's like really a nice white color, I guess. Well, white is white, but it's like a bright white. Okay, I don't know. So now it's time where you add your clay. You could add in like Modern Magic or anything like that. But I like diesel clay I also do like Model Magic a lot, but Days of Clay, I feel like it's better on camera. Like it looks better to mix in than Model Magic Clay. So I'm going to mix this in now. Oh my gosh. Days of Clay kind of does not smell very good. But I put in scent, so that doesn't matter. Oh my gosh. This is becoming such a nice texture, so I'm going to mix it all up in fast motion. Guys, this is how the slime turned out. It's like really nice and creamy. It's like such a nice butter slime. If you guys test out any of my recipes, it should probably be this one because the slime before it was like very good before I added it in the clay. But now it's like even better. So if you don't have the clay, then just do the recipe I just did before I added the clay. But this is where the slime, this is where the slime actually becomes a birthday cake slime. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna twist it into a swirl. This is not a good swirl. Oh my gosh. But now I'm going to add some of these confetti pieces. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this video like my whole life. Okay, ready guys? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's the best. Oh, this looks so amazing. This looks like exactly like birthday ice cream or something. It's like the best slime I've ever made in my life. Oh my gosh. I have to do this way more often, like this butter slime. Usually I don't do butter slimes like this. Like I don't put in this many ingredients. I don't know if you can actually see all the pieces, but they're in there. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with the slime, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this slime. It's like so drizzly and nice. So that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. It's the best slime in the world, but I'm gonna still do my conclusion thing. So, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe and like, and happy birthday, Anastasia. You'll be getting some of this slime, only some, because some of it's mine. And you guys should go check her out. I will put a comment of hers right here. And that's her account, Anastasia Vlogs. You have to go follow her and wish her a happy birthday. So, happy birthday, Anastasia. And, okay.